wanted to make a quick video showing you how to segment keywords. So, what is keyword segmentation, first of all? Keyword segmentation is the process of categorizing keywords and grouping them into individual ad groups so that you can show ads that are tailored to the copy of that keyword when somebody searches for that keyword. For instance, right now we are representing a software that connects Google Sheets to a variety of different apps. Right now, I'm building a campaign for database connectors. I'm categorizing those keywords into different categories. There's a couple different ways that people talk about this service. We're going to be grouping keywords based on whether they are talking about Google Sheets or Excel, and then whether they're talking about SQL or databases, and then finally, whether they include some high intent connecting keywords like connection, sync, and integration is another good example. So, first thing you want to do, add a filter. To add a filter in Excel, you just go to data. It'll say add filter. It says remove because I've already added them. Then you'll filter. Right now, I'll show you how to do this with the word connect. So filter for only keywords containing the word connect. Check them off. Click OK. Once you've got this squared away, you'll then see all of the keywords that contain the word connect in it. And right now, what we're going to do is go through each of them and assign them an ad group, right? So this keyword is Excel SQL connection. We'll look for anything containing the word Excel. These are all database. So we'll do this. Excel SQL connection, replace it with database, connector, keywords. These are all SQL. Highlight so you can enter that, add it to all of the keywords in that category. Google Sheets SQL connection. Create the keyword. So once you've got all of those squared away, clear, select all, boom. You can select everything that does not contain the options that we've already set a category for. So unselect, connector. You'll just go through the rest of the categories, right? So like sync is another one. Just want to get the formatting correct while I'm doing this. So go ahead and enter category. If there's only one keyword, you don't have to necessarily segment it out. You can segment it out later if keyword is high intent. So Google base, Google Sheets, database, general keywords, grab that, assign it to these. We'll assign this to this keyword as well, SQL database, because sometimes you'll see this. There'll be a keyword that has two different categorizations. Don't lose sleep over it. Just assign it to one and move on. It's just a process of going through them and making sure they fit cleanly into those categories. Once you've done that, it's also important to add negative keywords. So for the general keywords ad groups, which is sort of like our catch-all ad group, you would add the words connect, connection, connector, connectors, integrations, integrate, all of those add-on keywords that we've got funneled into other ad groups as phrase match negative keywords. That makes sure that the search terms that fit those categories go to the right ad group. So that's how you segment keywords. I'll make another video showing you how to upload these and create ad copy later on. Leave a comment if you have any questions. Cheers.